Experience decking done differently with mineral-based Surestone technology from Decorators. Made from a blend of advanced plastic polymers and durable minerals, with zero organic material, our proprietary manufacturing process and materials provide style and strength in equal measure. During the manufacturing process, the plastic polymers and minerals are combined and then stretched, changing the internal structure. As a result, the material is 35% lighter, but retains its strength, making it the most durable deckboard available. The unique combination of plastic and minerals creates a wood-like fiber structure and variegation that provides up to 34% better traction in wet conditions and stays cooler in the sunlight. With Surestone technology, Decorators provides the only deckboards that are warranted for water and ground installation, with virtually no moisture absorption or thermal expansion and contraction. Surestone technology also makes it easier to create unique designs and customized solutions. With more than 35 color and size combinations, every outdoor space can be perfectly tailored to the homeowner's style. Plus, all Decorators decking made with Surestone technology is backed by our industry-leading warranties, providing durability and peace of mind that lasts a lifetime. The numbers don't lie. Find out for yourself at Decorators.com.